Hey guys, so today I've got the Laneige Cica Sleeping Mask, which joins its sister products, the Water Sleeping Mask Original, which I've tried, and the Lavender Sleeping Mask I believe came out 2019. This one I picked up actually from, I think it was one of the K-beauty sites. It might have been Style Korean or Yes Style. I picked it up probably about a year ago for I don't know, it's probably like $12. Now it's at Sephora for $34. So hint, you might want to check out the other shops. I don't know, always shop around before you pick something up. But anyway, so I've been using this off and on for quite some time, and I actually really like it. It's my favorite out of all three of the Laneige sleeping masks because it has the least amount of fragrance as the other two. It does have a little bit of tea tree oil, which is good for skin, but it can also be a skin sensitizer. It's one of those ingredients. There's a lot of them that can be a good antioxidant and really help skin, but it can also be a skin sensitizer. It really just depends on your skin sensitivity level and your skin type, and any allergies and things like that you have going on. So it does have Centella asiatica in there. It's not a super high amount though. Just want to warn you about that. It's got some other good ingredients. I always just open like a corner of it. Squalane is in there. Shea butter is in there. If you have fungal acne, probably not very fungal acne safe. But we've got some other good things in there. And the tea tree oil is toward the very end of the ingredient list. So again, not a huge issue, but if you have sensitive skin or prefer to avoid any fragrant type ingredients, might be one to avoid. Although the tea tree oil scent isn't very noticeable at all. It's very slight and it dissipates pretty quickly. So overall, not a huge fan of the jar packaging, which is why I always just kind of open up a very tiny corner and I'll stick my little spatula in there to use it to avoid a lot of exposure to light and air, because there are some good ingredients and some good antioxidants in here. So overall, I would say it's moderately hydrating. It does work well if you use it at the very end of your routine, kind of to seal everything in. Sometimes I'll use it to mix with alpha hydroxy or beta hydroxy acids or just a little bit of retinol. But overall, decent ingredient list. Not the best for fungal acne. There are shea butter and things like that in there. But overall, if you have very, very sensitive skin, just do a patch test because of that tea tree oil in there. But it's a good product. My favorite out of all three. So it does say something because I have used all three quite a lot. So this one's definitely the best of them. Even the original water sleeping mask has a little bit of fragrance in it, which you wouldn't necessarily think of. Obviously, the lavender one has lavender in it, which also is one of those ingredients. Some skin handles it well, some people don't. So anyway, so I just wanted to do kind of a quick review since it's on Sephora now, and several of you guys asked about it. So I have used it off and on for quite some time with no issues. So certainly something worth checking out if you're into the Laneige brand or if you like their other water sleeping masks. This is a good one to try out. It's got more of a cream texture than kind of the gel texture from the original water one, but overall I like it. So certainly worth checking out. I'm interested if you guys have tried this yet or if you're thinking about picking up from Sephora. So certainly leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more this week. I've got a lot of fun new stuff. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.